Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this brilliant Peugeot Traveller. This is an 8-seater that comes with the 2 sliding side doors. You've got reverse parking sensors. Inside there's the 7-inch touchscreen that comes with DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay and full Bluetooth connectivity. But you've also got automatic headlights and wipers, dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.